Donald J. Trump, the President of United States of America, and yet the most significant personality in the entire world, especially on the global stage of politics, has faced not one, not two, but three assassination attempts since 2024. The first one came in earlier 2024 when he was busy or engaged in his campaign in Butler, Pennsylvania, when a bullet grazed his hair. Number second attempt was made on his with a play of rounds of bullets on his golf course. And number third came in the ballroom in the Hilton Hotel that was hosting the White House Correspondents Association dinner. Yes, just 2 days ago, on 25th April 2026, Donald J. Trump faced another assassination attempt in the ballroom of the Hilton Hotel. What the journalists and what the administrative officials who were present in that dinner had to say about this, let's scrutinize that. Let's scrutinize the security arrangements of that ballroom or that Hilton Hotel where Donald J. Trump was going to attend that dinner. According to the chief correspondent of BBC North America, he said that just a cursory look was made on his ticket and invitation, and that's all what it took to allow him to the ballroom near the significant personalities and the administrative officials of United States of America. Another CNN correspondent in this regard, who was also present in that dinner, had said that only one perfect security screening was there, and once you have surpassed that, you are allowed to go and sit with the significant administrative officials of United States of America, including the President of United States, Donald J. Trump. Upon further scrutiny and investigation, it became apparent that the would-be assassin in that ballroom was identified as a 31 years old U.S. citizen whose name was Cole Thomas Allen, and he was carrying shotguns, handguns, and multiple knives with him. And once he tried to trigger the bullets towards the significant administrative officials, more particularly to President Donald J. Trump, a small army of secret agents just confronted him, and an exchange of round of bullets was experienced in that particular regard. And moreover, President Donald J. Trump, along with Vice President J.D. Vance and other significant and important administrative officials, were immediately rescued and evacuated by the security agents. One thing that needs to be realized here, that it was quite different when he faced assassination attempts in 2024, because he was not an acting president of United States of America. But now, when on 25th April 2026, he once again faced or confronted a potential assassination attempt, the entire paradigm of the situation has been changed, and was changed because he was the president of United States of America. And in this particular regard, not only a huge amount of skepticism, criticism, investigation, and scrutiny is being done and is underway for the Hilton Hotel, who were hosting this dinner, but on the other hand, and at the same time, the small secret agency that was ensuring the protocols for President Donald J. Trump is also under bigger investigation. What do you think, that how much he is secured, how much he is protected, keeping in consideration that he is one of the most significant personality here in the entire world, especially on the global stage of politics, as he is the current president of the United States of America? How do you perceive these situations, and what are your opinions in this regard? We are eager to hear that in the comment section below. Thank you.